We are back with yet another video where we will be asking 5 difficult questions on finance and investment. And if people are able to answer those 5 questions, they will get a chance to win rupees 500. So what are we waiting for? Let's hit the road and see if people are able to answer those questions or not. Full form of CAGR.
ए भैया 2 वक्त की रोटी मिल जाती है वही बहुत है का CAGR कागर कागर कर रहे हो
CA stands for, GR stands for.
CA, I don't know, GR would be gross ratio or something.
CAG, I'm not sure. No idea.
Any guess?
No idea.
I've got no idea.
You can guess right.
I actually don't know.
Compounded annual growth rate.
Okay, somebody knows. See, what is the current rate of US dollar?
45 and slash 80.
Around 82 to 84.
Somewhere around 80 rupees, more than 80.
Approximately 83 or 79 to 83 rupees.
70 something, or I guess 80 something, not sure.
अराउंड 81 रुपीस
3 investment options which are not related to stock market.
Bonds, FDs and REITs, real estate investment.
वन इज लीजिंग
PFs, EPFs, VPFs, MIS,
you can invest into startup equity, you can invest into commercial real estate.
crypto, gold, property, I mean,
So you can spend your money in WeWork. They can give you business, no? Commercial real estate, you can say.
I just know currently that it's a cryptocurrency.
Full form of Sensex.
I don't know.
Can you give me some clue?
No clue. It's a matter of 500 rupees.
2 वक्त की रोटी बहुत है भैया
No,
Do you invest?
nothing.
You don't invest?
I invest in individual stocks.
Then you should probably know the full form of Sensex.
I don't know the full form.
That I knew, but currently I cannot recall it.
I don't know.
Coins are issued by
Ministry of something. Corporate Affairs?
Ministry of something.
RBI no बैंक नोट प्रेस
I know not issued by RBI, I think, but I'm not sure.
Government.
SEBI,
No.
Bombay Stock Exchange, no, I don't know.
Coin issued by RBI. Or which one?
For that you have to watch our video. So that was all, guys. We asked 5 questions. I don't know the questions were tough or easy, but people were not able to answer those questions. If you know the answer, then mention the answers in the comment box below and get a chance to win rupees 500. Also, if you like the video, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.